Hello students, a very good morning. Let us start today's session, chapter 6, fraction continuation. The topics which we are going to see today is comparing like fraction. How to compare the like fractions, students? To compare like fractions, check the numerators of the given fraction. Let us solve one example to understand in better way. Example 6.9, which is given in your book. Compare the shaded and unshaded part in the following figure. Students, here they have given one strip. A strip is divided into 7 equal parts. How many parts are shaded here? 3 parts. And how many its parts are unshaded? 4 parts. So we can say the colored part is 3 by 7 because a strip is divided into 7 equal parts. The uncolored part is 4 because unshaded part is 4. So that is 4 by 7. We can say the colored part is less than the uncolored part. Students, to compare the like fraction, we must compare the numerators. Here 3 is less than 4. So we can say 3 by 7, it is less than 4 by 7. Is it clear, students? Next problem. Comparing fractions with equal numerators. Students, as we know, in the like fraction, denominators only same, right? Here, we are going to compare the equal numerators. How to compare it? Let's see. Here, in the first strip, there are 3 parts. 2 parts are shaded. In the second strip, there are 4 parts. Out of these 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. So, the fraction is, first part is 2 by 3 and the second part is 2 by 4. Out of 2 fractions with equal numerators, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Is it clear, students? When we compare the equal numerators, we must take which fraction is having the greater denominator, that only be a smaller fraction. Here 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. Here which fraction is having greater denominator? Second fraction. So we can say 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 4 because we considered the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Is it clear, students? Next, exercise problems. Exercise 6.4. Write the proper symbol from less than, greater than or equal to in the box. First problem, 3 by 5, one blank box, 2 by 5. We have to compare the fraction and have to write the symbol whether it is less than, greater than or equal. Answer. When we are comparing the like fraction, as we know, we must compare the numerators. Here, the numerators are 3 and 2. So, we can say 3 is greater than 2. So, 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Is it clear? Next problem. 2 by 8, one blank box, 1 by 8. So, compare the numerators 2 and 1. So, we can say 2 by 8 is greater than 1 by 8. Third problem, 2 by 11, blank box, 10 by 11. We can say 2 by 11 is less than 10 by 11. Next, to compare unlike fractions, convert them into their equivalent fraction so that their denominators are same. As we seen in the last video, right? Convert the unlike to like fraction. See the fourth problem. 3 by 15, one blank box, 10 by 30. First, we have to convert into like fraction, then we must compare the numerators. Okay, see here, 3 by 15 and another fraction is 10 by 30. As we know, 30 is twice as 15, so we can make 30 as a common denominator. What number is multiplied with 15? We will get 32. So we can say 3 by 15 is equal to 3 into 2 by 15 into 2. So 3 into 2s are 6. 15 into 2s are 30. So we'll get a fraction of 6 by 30. Then compare the numerators. 6 by 30 and 10 by 30. 6 is less than 10. So we can say 3 by 15 is less than 10 by 30. Is it clear, students? Very easy problem. Yes, here first we converted the unlike to like fraction. Then we compared the numerators. Based on the numerators, we have given a symbol that is less than or greater than or equal. Here we have given less than symbol, right? Next, 5 by 12, blank box 1 by 6. So here see the denominators 12 and 6. We know 12 is twice as 6. So we can make 12 as a common denominator. Take the second fraction, 1 by 6 is equal to 1 into 2 by 6 into 2. As we know, 2 is multiplied with 6 only. We will get 12. So 1 into 2s are 2 and 6 into 2s are 12. So the answer is 5 by 12 is greater than 2 by 12 because 5 only is greater when we compare the numerators. As we have to write in the original fraction 2, 5 by 12 is greater than 1 by 6. Next, out of two fractions with equal numerators, the fraction with greater denominator is the smaller fraction, as we seen in this video itself, right? See the sixth problem, 4 by 7 and 4 by 11. Both numerators are same. So compare the denominator. Which is greater? 11 only greater. We have to take that 11 is a smaller fraction. So we can write 4 by 7 is greater than 4 by 11. Next, eighth problem, 4 by 9, one blank box, 4 by 9. Here both numerators and denominators are same. So we can say 4 by 9 is equal to 4 by 9. Is it clear, students? Next topic, addition of like fractions. How to add the like fractions? While adding like fractions, add only the numerators of the two fraction and write the denominator as it is because the denominators are same only, right? Exercise 6.5, add the following fractions. First problem, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. How to add? Answer, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. As the denominators are same, we must add only the numerators. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So the answer is 4 by 5. Next problem, 2 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Answer, 2 by 15 plus 3 by 15 is equal to 5 by 15. Because the numerator is 2 plus 3, if we add, we will get 5. So the answer is 5 by 15. So far, we have seen only two fractions. This problem, we have three fractions. Let us see how to answer. Write 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7 is equal to, take the numerators, 2 plus 1 plus 3 by 7. It's a common denominator, right? Then add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is 6 by 7. Is it clear, students? Next, word problem. Mother gave 2 by 8 of guava to Meena and 3 by 8 of guava to Geeta. How many parts of the guava did she give them all together? How to write down the statements? Fraction of guava mother gave to Meena is equal to 2 by 8. Fraction of guava mother gave to Geeta is equal to 3 by 8. Total parts of guava, she gave them all together. So all together means we have to add both the fractions. So 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8 is equal to 5 by 8. Is it clear, students? Just go through this problem. Next. The girls of standard 5th cleaned 3 by 5 of a field, while the boys cleaned 1 by 5 part of the field. What part of the field was cleaned all together? Let us see the answer. Fraction part of field cleaned by girls is equal to 3 by 5. Fraction part of field cleaned by boys is equal to 1 by 5. Total parts of the field cleaned all together is equal to 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Is it clear, students? Just we have to write down the statements and add two fractions. Is it clear? Students, with this exercise problems gets over. The next one is subtraction of like fraction that we will see in the next session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.